in the 6 years me and my husband have been together, he hasn't wanted to work.
What's his excuse?
I just feel like he has no motivation. Well, he's streaming on Twitch and doesn't even make enough money to get a payout every month, and he calls that his job.
How you put up with this for 6 years?
What are you going to do? Yeah.
I got about 6 minutes and I'm done. How you get to 6 years?
That's the part I don't know. Well, I've left him twice over it. He begged me to come back and said he would get a job, and he actually started putting applications in, always had an excuse as to why he couldn't take the job.
So you came back too quick before he actually got the job.
He's left you. The problem is he's left you in his own living room.
And his body didn't go.
Yeah. The only path forward is some really firm boundaries. Being very clear about what you require, what you need, what you want. Or, here's the deal, make peace with it. This is the guy you married. He didn't have a job when you were engaged to him. He didn't have a job when you married him. It's kind of what you signed up for. If that's the road you want to take and you're not going to move on, and not hold him accountable, then stop beating yourself up every day. Make peace with it and move on.